That would be the alternative to using blocks. Is your leveling jacks? Yes, sir. Yeah, I know. I'm probably gonna replace the whole thing because I see that the light sockets on one of them is gone, and I don't know it's the brake light or it's a turn signal, because you've got running lights built in. You have running lights built in, and you've also got brake lights, turn signals combination built into that, and that part of it's broke off. So one of them doesn't have.
But I don't need that to work. I just want the cover.
No, you just want a cover.
I want the covers that are broken.
I just don't know. I don't know which one of them it is.
I want to replace the covers that are broken.
Black one. No.
Is
the little ring lights all the way around. They're missing the
not
covers.
Because I know what my cover is, and my cover's vintage. I'm gonna have to find it and order it because it says SVCT.
Okay.
And then something on the bottom of it.
Mm-hmm.
The red and the gold both say that on them, and I'm missing both.
Right. No, the only way to do it would be get them all functional. Eventually, I found out where I see where it all wires up under the neck. So.
Yeah, but we don't need to have the lights working unless we're taking it somewhere.
Right, but if you're gonna do it, you might as well do it so everything's working. So. We're gonna take a camper tour and see what we got for campers. Maybe I'll meet up with. They're all open. I wonder how I get away with doing that. Everyone was open. Oh my god. It smells like a trailer. I remember when Mom and Dad bought a trailer, brand new, we had to move into. Look at this. Holy cow. Wow. Look at the room in here. Wow. Look at the kitchen. This isn't camping. Holy cow. Look at the TV. Cool little heater. Wow. And look at the roof. All the vents. This isn't. Wow. Carpeted floors. Look at this. Oh my word. Look at the bathroom. Oh my god. And that's got a fan in it. That's a good idea. Maybe I can do that. Yeah, put a little motor in there. Look at the skylight for the bathtub or shower. Yeah, you don't need a bath. You don't need a bathtub. Shower, sink. Look at the master bedroom. Oh my word. Look at this. So it is it's a single 2-bed. Wow. Freaking walk-in closet. Look at this. Oh man. You're on the road. Wow. Central heating and air. Look at this from up here. This is awesome. Oh, that is the Sanibel. This is cool. All right, let's go take a look at another one. No, there's no slide with this one. Yeah, oh yeah, you do. A little bit of slide right here. Okay. Yep. All right. Does slide out. This is another of the Westport. Westport is just a little longer, huh? Got your, wow, this has got a full slide out. Holy cow. Let's see what it is. How you doing? I'm looking at the travel vehicles right now. I'll meet you there in a sec. Holy cow. And this is slid out. Look at the room. Oh, come here. Can't do that. I'm not shutting. Oh, let's bring up the door. What we got here? Sure what that is. There you go. We're back on the road again. Navigation. Seat comfort. These have been slid out, so you can see how much room got right here. Look at all this room, man. Got your. Let these fold out into beds. I'm not sure. There's your TV. I got a TV. TV right there. TV right there. Microwave and stove. Don't have to worry about food storage. Nice little shower. And your master bedroom. AC, probably definitely combination AC heating system. There's plenty of storage room. Cabinet space. Wow. What's that all about now? More storage space. I would think these would fold out into beds. I'm pretty sure. But you gotta have, there's your seats. You're gonna be riding in seats. So 1, 2, and those have gotta fold out into beds somehow. You have more room than just those to sleep in. That's pretty cool. All right, let's go see. These have been the travel ones. So now we're gonna go see the ones that pull behind. What's going on with the alignment on that door? I don't know what's going on with that. Weird. It's not shutting right. Okay, it went. The bottom of the door is bent out. I don't know what's up with that. Huh. Alright. Let's go see what she's got. So from the outside, that was the bedroom. This is the living room. All sliders. Probably a power awning. Oh man. Where is she? She ain't gonna wanna follow me. Let's jump in a Winnebago. Power awning. This is gonna be a Winnebago here. Wow. There you go, stairs. Detailing boys are gonna have fun. Look at this. The thing is now, you're going down the road. You're driving in comfort. You're in it. The whole drive. Your wife wants to drive and she can drive, and you just kick back. TV to watch. Look at the sink. Refrigerator. And there's your controls for sliders. Slide out. Bunk beds. There's your bathroom. Stand up. Here's your sink. Step up. Master bedroom. I'm not exactly sure what slides out. You even got a TV. That's your master bedroom. And your kids sleep right in the bunks. Microwaves. You slide the doors, both sides. I think this has got some sort of a slide out. I'm not sure. Wow. But that's the thing. You pull into a rest area and you're here. You're already home. You don't have to worry about doing anything. This is awesome. This is the Winnebago.